Hello everyone, today I'm making this video to help those who are working on the revision of the reviewers. I also have received reviewers' comment and they have said me how to, they have said me just to check referencing. And for this I am pretty much sure to go to the Mendeley, and Mendeley is very useful and easy to use, and it's free of cost. You can just download on your desktop or laptop and you can start working to avoid manual referencing system. So today this video may be helpful for you as well, but for this you just make sure that you have Mendeley on your laptop. So I had missed this paper to put in the reference section. Now I already went to the Google Scholar, pressed it, and I found this paper on top of the list. And I have this icon. This is Mendeley icon. Bread here and kept in the bar. I just clicked it. I just need to have password and user email. If you have university email, that's much better, but you can use from your personal emails as well. Once you click, it will take some time to work on. If you have high-speed internet, it may be faster, but sometimes if you have low, you just need to wait for some time. Yeah. Yes, it's there. Second paper is my paper. I just need to click on the checkbox. Then here just be sure that you are choosing right paper. If you have list of papers working simultaneously, you just need to be careful in choosing right paper. Then once you click right paper, just hit on the add button. Now it will be displayed into your Mendeley. Say you can check there are a lot of papers already there. And now I just have added one more on top of all those lists for this particular paper. So I just ticked here, and now I go to the manuscript, and I just have to make sure that Mendeley icon is displayed here too. For this you just need to go to the reference, and you can check on the right hand side top to see the Mendeley. And here also you might require your user ID and password, but you have no need to worry. So select the paper and put your cursor in the place where you want to put the reference. Yes, now instead of the name of the authors, now I have got number. This is just referencing citation setting. You can put it in the APA style or any Vancouver or any style that's your requirement. Now just check down there. Now that paper is already referenced down in the reference list. And this is how you can work very easily without much of your effort manually. You can just save your time and make best use of Mendeley for the referencing while writing manuscripts or academic articles. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it useful. If you find it useful, please subscribe and help to share your friends who